Now we're going to talk about the average credit limits people get per score range that they're in so that you have an idea of how your credit score affects the credit limits that you get. But let's talk about those credit limits and credit scores. So if you look at this chart that you see on the screen, this is going to be data from Credit Karma showing the average credit scores that they saw getting approved for certain amounts of money whenever those people apply for credit cards. Now you can see at the bottom, that 750 plus got the highest limits at almost $9,000 compared to the lowest range, that 300 to 640, they got about 3,500 almost. So you can see there between the highest and the lowest, the difference in credit limit is about $5,500. Now that's significant when you're talking about getting a credit limit that is going to sustain the business activities that you need. And you can also see that the other score ranges, like right above the lowest, 640 to 700, they got $4,700 in credit limits, which is a little more than $1,000 than the lowest credit scores get. So even having a score around 700 didn't make too much of a difference versus the lower scores. When you get between that 700 to 750, you're looking at about 6,000 in credit limits, which is almost double what you get on the lower end